Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we shall be solving simultaneous linear and quadratic equations. We will take two questions and they will be solved using different skills. So make sure you stay to the end in order to learn the skills. Number one, x squared plus y squared equals to 29 being the quadratic equation and y minus x equals to 3 being the linear equation. We are going to label the first one equation 1 and the second equation 2. And from equation 2, which is the linear one, we can write y as x plus 3. Let us call that equation 3. Using the substitution method, we are going to substitute this equation 3 into one that we have not touched. This means that wherever y comes up in equation 1, we are going to be putting x plus 3, making equation 1 to become x squared plus x plus 3 for y all squared equals to 29. Then the bracket is going to be opened. We expand it to give x squared. Then when the brackets are opened, we have plus x squared plus 6x plus 9. And on the right hand side, we've got 29 still. Then we combine the terms that are like x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. We've got plus 6x, and 29 comes to this place where we subtract it from 9, giving us negative 20. And 0 is left on the right hand side. Now we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. 2 is a factor of all these, so we divide through by 2. Dividing through by 2 leaves us with x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. This can be factored, as the factors of negative 10 that will give positive 3 are negative 2 and positive 5. So the resulting quadratic equation factors as x minus 2, x plus 5 equals to 0. And if x minus 2 multiplying x plus 5 is 0, it simply means that x minus 2 is 0 or x plus 5 is 0. Meaning that x can be 2 from the first or x can be negative 5 from the second. Now that we have the values of x, we can substitute these values into equation 3 in order to get the corresponding values of y. Remember that equation 3 is y equals to x plus 3. So when x is 2, putting this in equation 3, we have y to be 2 plus 3, and that is 5. Also, when x is negative 5, substituting again, we have y to be negative 5 plus 3, and that is negative 2. And therefore, the solution set to the quadratic and linear simultaneous equation is 2, 5 and minus 5, minus 2. Don't go yet. You have to see the second one and the skill we are going to use in solving it. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, here is an opportunity to do so as we continue. Number 2, 4x squared minus 9y squared equals to 19, and 2x plus 3y equals to 1. Now this pairs of equation requires a different skill, because when you look at the first equation, 4x squared minus 9y squared, we can express it as difference of two squares, in that 4x squared is 2x all squared and 9y squared is 3y all squared. And remember that difference of two squares, generally a squared minus b squared, can be factored as a minus b multiplying the sum of a and b. So from equation 1, which is 4x squared minus 9y squared equals to 19, we can have this written as 2x all squared, as stated earlier, minus 3y all squared is equal to 19. And this as difference of two squares becomes 2x minus 3y multiplying 2x plus 3y equals to 19. But from equation 2, 2x plus 3y equals to 1. So we can replace 2x plus 3y in the above equation with 1, giving us 2x minus 3y times 1 equals to 19. That is 2x minus 3y equals to 19. We call this equation 3. So using the above skill for this kind of equation, we have been able to reduce the two equations to linear equations. This won't have a pair of solutions, but rather a single solution. So first, let us add 2 and 3. 2 once again is 2x plus 3y equals to 1, and 3 is 2x minus 3y equals to 19. Adding them together, 2x plus 2x is 4x. 3y plus negative 3y cancel out by elimination method, and 1 plus 19 is 20. And if 4x equals to 20, x is 5. Also, let us subtract 3 from 2. That is 2x plus 3y equals to 1. And from it, we are subtracting 2x minus 3y equals to 19. 2x minus 2x eliminates, and 3y minus 3y gives positive 6y, and 1 minus 19 gives negative 18. And if that be the case, y is negative 3. And the solution to the simultaneous equation is 5, negative 3. Hope you have learned something from this tutorial. Again, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so now. More math tutorials are coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. So please do subscribe now. Until we see you in our next tutorial, do have a lovely day. Bye.